If you are finding you are not getting the cutting results from your machine, it might be the fact that the blade has either blunted or snapped. These are all the different blade types for all of the different scan and cut machines. Because this video features CM series machines, I will particularly focus on those blade holders. That's the standard and the deep cut blade holder. To reveal the blade, you would unscrew the cap on the blade holder. Then take a close look at the blade. Perhaps use your phone's camera to take a magnified shot if you need to. The one on the left of this picture is perfect. That's a brand new blade and it has a beautifully pointed tip. The one on the right, however, has a snapped tip, and this will not give you a perfect cut no matter what settings you put on your machine, so it needs changing. Let me show you how. With the blade exposed, grab the blade changing tool, which is actually built into your spatula. It's this little piece of foam on the back. Stab the blade into that foam and pull. Your fingers didn't need to come into contact with that blade, so that's perfect and safe. Next, take out your new blade, leaving the little rubber cap on it, and insert this into the blade holder. After it's in, gently tease off that rubber cap and screw back on the blade holder cap. And of course, to protect it, put on the protective cap. There you go, easy.